One package per light. I probably don't need these today because I'm going to use what I already have up there. Zip ties, chain, hooks, some screws in here, everything you need to put these up. But I'm going to use the existing light, the chains I mean. I'm going to change that one though. Or maybe I don't have to. I'll just, yeah, okay, good, cool. I am going to use these chains. Trial and error here. I just got finished installing my LED shop lights. So it's pitch black now, but then, whoa, hello. So I've got one right there. I've got 3 on chains that one, and that one. But this one he attached to the ceiling because the garage door will need to go up and it will go underneath that light if I should need to open it. So, shop's coming along. This is nice, so bright in here, my goodness. I left one fluorescent light up there. I've got the old ones over here. I'm going to take a good bulb out of there. I'm going to stick it in here. That way I'll have a little bit more light. And then there's also a fluorescent light over here. I haven't tested that yet, so I will check that another day, not today. It's dark out already. So I brought some stuff in here. Set up the saw. I've got some tools and nails and screws. Put in these cabinets over here. And then I gotta find a place for all this stuff. Hey, there's Woofer. Hey, Woofer, what you doing? Hey. He's happy to be outside, no matter how cold it is. So, what's also nice right here is I've got an antenna for a TV. What? Things just keep getting better. So now, in the fuse box, it used to be that this one was permanently off because that shut off this outlet over here where the lights were previously plugged into. Just that light and that light, the fluorescents, were plugged into that outlet. So what they did was they had to turn this off every time they wanted to turn the lights off. So now I put it all together. It's got an extension cord, but this outlet controls the lights, and only that outlet. So I'm going to be cleaning all this up a little bit. I'll be tacking the wires up onto the ceiling. For now, they're all in hooks. Coming along. All right. So much brighter in here. Oh my goodness. Hey, if you guys are interested in these lights, I'll leave a link to them in the description below. 2 lights would be plenty, but if you want to be out here at night, 4 is just outstanding. Alright, well, tune in next. Same bat channel, same bat time. Thanks for watching, guys.